Soft glam, healing energy, and a little makeup therapy. I'm easing back into creating and it feels good again. I always start off with moisturizer. Something about the first step feels so grounding. This past year's been heavy. I lost my grandmother and honestly, I lost pieces of myself too. It takes time for me to even want to get ready again, so this video is actually pretty healing. Next is primer, then foundation. My grandmother was a Scorpio, strong, sharp, but full of heart. She had cancer more than once and she beat it more than once too. This last time though, it took her, and even though I knew she was tired, the loss still hit like a wave I didn't see coming. I think grief had made me disappear a bit from myself from this. So definitely getting back into where I started and getting back into something that makes me happy is definitely rewarding. And it comes with its ups and downs too. But lately I've been trying and I've been getting into what makes me happy. Of course, I'm gonna do contour. This is one of my favorite steps. This is something that ties the whole face together and brings back its color. Grief didn't hit me all at once. It came in waves, quiet, slow, then suddenly loud. I found myself rewatching old movies just to feel less alone. I craved family. I craved noise. The kind that fills a room with love, even if nobody's watching. I got a Scorpio tattoo for her. I just needed to feel something more than grief. She loved tattoos. We were supposed to get matching ones for her birthday one year, and sis really went without me. Like, that's crazy. My grandmother was strong. She was a Scorpio through and through. She beat cancer more than once, okay? More than once. When it came back, she fought again. She was rooted in her Trini spirit. I'm talking about linemen, sipping something cold, laughing from her belly. Her favorite foods, curry duck, goat roti, but plenty pepper, of course, and saltfish buljao. Like, get into it, okay? And y'all, my makeup is eating right now, okay? So just know that I think I wear blush a little different now. I smile softer. I look for joy even when it hurts. This isn't just makeup. This is part of healing. And yeah, we are about to get into powder bronzer. When I tell you this bronzer right here, instant warmth, Juvia's Place really did that, okay? And when I tell you this formula is buttery, blendable, and that blush powder, don't get me started. I wore this exact combo when I went to Costa Rica with a group of 10 people. Me, the girl who used to second guess every invite. Fighting through my social anxiety wasn't easy, but something in me knew I had to go. I had to say yes to new memories, to community, to fun. And that trip, it was everything. We laughed, we danced, we celebrated someone who truly deserved their flowers. There were moments I felt fully seen, like I didn't have to shrink to belong. Sometimes growth doesn't look like a big announcement. Sometimes it looks like showing up, bronzed up, and choosing joy anyway. Right now, I'm going in with one of my favorite eyebrow products. This is one of the eyebrow products that got me through a lot of years. When I tell you, I have this in almost every shade. And not to mention, it's covering up all the blonde hairs in my eyebrows. Yes, I dyed my eyebrows blonde. I also cut off my locks. I know you guys see this wig on my head. Y'all, it's been a crazy, crazy year. It's full of knowing yourself, is full of grief, it's full of heartbreak, it is full of a lot of things. And as I get ready to set this makeup, I'm just thinking how far I've come, how far I've grown, and just how lucky I am to be in the position that I am to start doing the things that I love to do again. And as you can see, my makeup is coming out great. I'm actually in a really great mood the more that this video went on because I'm seeing and I'm doing things that I love to do. And this Fenty highlighter Prosecco, can we get into it? Can the girls just check it out? Can you go to Ulta? Can you get yourself one? Like, you have to get this highlighter. It is so pigmented. It is so buttery. It is so soft. When I tell you Fenty has the best products. Okay, next to NARS and Juvia's Place, but they have the best products. Like, you have to get into it. This lip combo is amazing, but look who came. My baby. I'm a cat mom. This is Mango. Mango is my little baby. He's 4 months now. Oh my gosh. He is so cute. But let's also get into this hair, y'all. I started wearing wigs again. This is something new to me, but it felt so pretty just to have a different look, just to switch it up. But get into it. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you want more videos like this, definitely let me know. Also, if you're battling grief, if you're battling heartbreak, if you're battling just anything, just know that you are loved. I am here with you. Comment down below if you want more videos like this.